All right, guys, we are back again. It's Ali and Tish. Yep. Today we're coming with another drink, another Jamaican drink. This one is the STRONGBACK one, the one was strong up the man them, and then maybe later on you never know what go on with wifey. Yeah, that kind of drink I'm talking. Yes, we're gonna make some Jamaican oats, raw peanut, and some Guinness. All right. So today we already soak the oats, the raw oats. We already soak it. We got our raw peanut right here. We got our Guinness. We have our Guinness right here in the back. Yep. And so we are going to make a strong Jamaican drink today. All right, Alicia, go ahead. What we're going to do first is add the peanuts. We're going to add about a cup of peanuts. Yep, a cup of peanuts today. Yep, that's a cup. And then next we're gonna add a cup of the oats. The raw oats is already soaked and ready to go. Just pour it in. We go add a cup of that. Yeah, 1 cup. Good. Yeah. And then what we also have which we doing this ourselves, we had soaked some chia seed. So we're gonna put some chia seed in there. That's 1 teaspoon. That's a teaspoon of chia seed. And so we have it soaked. You know, when you soak the chia seed, it expands. So we have the chia seed in, and now we're gonna put 1 tablespoon of flax seed, the flax powder. That's what we're gonna put in there. You know, you have the flax seed and then sometimes you grind it out and it turns into a powder. That's what we're gonna do, 1 tablespoon. Okay, so now we're gonna go on to our nutmeg. You know, we have to put some spice in there, so that's a teaspoon of nutmeg. And then we're gonna do our vanilla here. So we're gonna do 2 tablespoons. 2 tablespoons of vanilla. And yep, after that we'll add the rest of the ingredients. So the 2 tablespoons. Yeah, that's right there. And after that we are going to add our Guinness. We are going to start with our Guinness. So yep, you know that now. Later on, hey, enough things are going to go on. All right, we're going to put a whole bottle of Guinness in there. Good. Now we are going to add our sweet condensed milk. Now this recipe, because we already had soaked the oats in some water, we don't need to add any more water. The Guinness is sufficient to give you all the liquid you need. So all right, so like I say, we add the Guinness. We have our oats. We add some flax seed. We add some chia seed. We have our raw peanut. And guys, I'm telling you this right now, it just smells so good. It is smelling really, really good. All the spice you put in there, and it's just smelling really good. So after we add all that, now we're gonna go ahead and blend. We're gonna go ahead and blend. Okay, guys, so we are here blending. It's good to go, Alicia. Yep. So now, hold on. Take off the top, Alicia. Let's see what's going on. It's supposed to be nice and thick. It ain't gonna be thick like porridge, but you're supposed to have a little. Yep. See. Just like that, just like that. So what we're going to do now is we're going to get our glass. We're going to get our glass. Yep. And we're going to pour it facing here. Pour it facing. Yep. We have a little bit of ice in there. Gone. That's good. Yeah. And this is the end product, guys. This is how it looks, and this is a STRONGBACK drink for all of the guys them. You know, the Jamaican guys, they already know what I'm saying, but for all of the other men them who, you know, want to perform, they want to perform good tonight, just tell wifey, hey, just go down at the market and get up the raw peanut, the raw oats, get you your Guinness, and get you your nutmeg and your vanilla extract, and you know, just blend it up nice, and you know, kick back, put two pieces of ice in the glass, and just enjoy. So guys, this is it for now until our next video. I'm asking you, please give us some thumbs up and give us some likes and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, please. And we will see you with the next video. We'll probably be cooking a dish or so, but for right now, this is it, you know. Yep, this is the final product, guys. It's looking really good. So anytime you're ready for something strong up, just, you know, look for Ali and Tish. That's it. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.